Okay, now that you've created your Biolink page, let's talk about how you set up your Biolink page, which is, again, essentially your landing pages for different products you're creating. You have the landing page here, right? The Biolink page, and then you have, these are the options: my bio page, branding, page SEO, tracking, advanced, and analytics, right? But really, the first thing you're going to do is come into here and change whatever display name you want to display there. And you'll see that it populates on the right-hand side in real time, right? So let's say I was adding mine into there. You'll see that it will populate in real time. Okay, update it. I can exit out of there. Alex, so I would update my image, of course, and you can add that in here from your computer files, right? You can add your social profiles here. So we have everything from Facebook to Instagram to TikTok, and it'll just add it into the to the link of these icons here. Really, really easy. And then we have the different blocks that you can create, right? So when you're adding a block, essentially, there's 4 different options. There is a category for links. So these are types of links, right? Your blog post links, your social media links, links to other websites that you want your target audience to reach you on. Perhaps you work with different companies. Maybe you have published an article on a given website. Perhaps you have courses or podcasts, things like that, right? And then you have content. So in the example I just gave with a podcast, you could either post it as a link or you can post it as an actual player. So the podcast player would actually load into here. Same thing with your TikTok video, Vimeo video, SoundCloud, your Calendly app, contact forms. We've given you dozens and dozens of options, from Telegram to Rumble to Discord, Facebook posts, contents in general. Any digital content that you have online, you could either take the link or you can embed that into your feed of the Biolink page. So again, you're building a very robust landing page, right? Which is our Biolink page. This way you can streamline everything into one place, right? And then you can build your store. So building the store is how you collect and monetize your content, right? So you can charge for paid bookings here. You can sell a service. You can sell a course. We're going to show you how you can build courses into Pushbio. Also very important, memberships. We're going to show you how to build a membership in here. You can do it as a reoccurring, a one-time, or an annual fee. Of course, sell your products, and then also create an affiliate program through here. And then the fourth option is to actually create a rewards program. The rewards program works 2 ways. You can either do a mission, and the mission basically creates a set of tasks that rewards your audience with loyalty points. And you decide how many points they get. You're going to be able to define that. As you can see, if I click on here, it'll ask me to create that block, right? Now, if I go back to rewards, the second type of reward is a giveaway. So just hosting a giveaway right from your Biolink page, and you explain exactly what the rewards are. It's a great way to build loyalty with your customers, right? So again, these blocks are very easy for you to fill in. We're just giving you the placeholders here, like example.com. But when you come into any of these blocks, you're going to have the delete button, the pencil, and the edit, and of course, a copy if you want to duplicate the page, right? But if I click the edit pencil, you're going to see that's going to open up, and it's going to ask me the basics, right? For how big you want that to be, if you need an image to display into there, right? All of that. And then what you're going to find is that every block also has the option for displays. So what you're able to do is you can schedule some of these blocks to be launched on certain dates, but you can also decide what audiences in what countries will see your content or not. And the same thing goes for languages, devices, and operating systems. So we give you the options to either block or just open it up to everyone. And if you leave it as a default, it'll be open to everyone, right? But again, very easy to add a block. If I were adding a block right now and I just needed to add a link, and let's say that link was pushbio.io, and I said pushbio right into here. So I just add that into there. Okay, so yeah, so I have to add the HTTP on this one. Okay, so there we go. So once I add that in there, you're going to see that that block is down here. You can see it's down here, right? And if I scroll, you're going to see that that block is down there. Now, what I can do, it's really easy feature to use. I can just drag it in whatever option, in whatever order I need it to be in, right? So if I needed to be in second place, I can put it there. Or if I said, you know what, I want it to be the first thing that people see is the link to my website, I would add that too right there, right? So very easy for you to do that. And again, you see the portfolio is the second one here. There are no images because this is just a placeholder, but it's really easy for you to add all of those blocks. And then at the bottom, if you're selling a product, you're going to want to open up that store. And if you're going to do a rewards, you're going to also toggle that to the right. And you're going to see that they both populate up here, right? So you can see all of a sudden now your landing page or Biolink page will have three options: the home, the store, and the reward. And within those, then you start to build out the different functions, right? So for your store, you have your memberships, which you'll see in the left menu here. You have your earnings reports, booking, membership, course, and payment methods, right? And then for rewards, as we said, you have missions and giveaways. So we're going to keep showing you how you can create your Biolink page easily in very few steps. And in essence, you're building landing pages that can promote your brand, your product. You can use these Biolink pages, create individual ones for different offerings, so that if you want to speak directly to a target audience that only sees a specific customized and personalized number of links and images and videos, all of that you can embed into just one Biolink page. And then once you have that page done, if you so desired, you could create a QR code right from here. You can share the URL, which you can either copy here or you can share it from here, and it will connect to any of these social media platforms and messaging platforms. Really easy. But also, if you wanted to create a QR code from this Biolink page, put it onto your business card, put it onto your presentations. I do that often when I'm doing a presentation at a conference. I will embed the same landing page with the presentation topics on my Biolink page. I will give them the link with the QR code. This way, they can follow along and have that link after the fact, right? And then you're going to be able to see, more importantly, the analytics. So if you see here, this Biolink page that I had 885 views, right? So if I click views, you can see, when and where people are clicking from, what type of devices, browsers. And we're going to dive into that with you when we do the analytics part of the tutorial here. But I hope that you can see how easy it is for you to use a Biolink page within Pushbio. And so stay tuned for the next demo that we're going to do. And the more you learn, believe me, the better you'll be able to grow your digital presence, engage and grow your audience, which is ultimately what we all want to do in business, right? So we hope this was helpful for you, and we'll see you on the next demo.